Hey there, explorers, and welcome. Get ready, because we're about to kick off a really cool adventure. And this isn't just any old trip. This is your official invitation to think like a scientist, to ask questions, to test things out, and to really explore this amazing and sometimes weird world all around us. You ready to dive in? Think about this for a second. It's just a simple piece of folded paper. But if you throw it just right, it flies. Isn't that wild? Have you ever just stopped and thought, how does that even work? That one little question, that's the starting line for all of science. Seriously, the same exact curiosity about watching things fly is what got the first engineers thinking about, real airplanes. It always starts with just wondering. Okay, so for any big adventure, you gotta have the right gear, right? But what if I told you that the number one most important tool you'll ever need for exploring science isn't a magnifying glass or a fancy telescope? Nope, you can't buy it and you can't build it because, well, you already have it. Yep, that's right. It's your curiosity. You should seriously think of it like your own personal superpower. It's that little voice in your head that just pops up and goes, why did that happen? Or, wait a minute, how does that thing work? That feeling, that's the engine, the rocket fuel for every single discovery in the history of, well, ever. And you know what the best part is? You're using this superpower all the time, and you probably don't even realize it. Have you ever wondered why a lemon is so sour? Or what's actually happening to that grass stain on your pants when it goes in the wash? Or how does a tiny little battery make a flashlight glow? Every single time you ask a question like that, bam, that's your science superpower at work. So, okay, your curiosity is all fired up. Now what? Where do you even start looking for answers? Well, the answer is everywhere. The whole world is like one giant adventure map, and every little thing you notice is another clue. And this map has different regions, different zones. But as you're going to see, they're all connected. So, for example, you're looking at your drink, and you see the ice cubes melting. And you think, why is that happening? Boom! You've just stumbled on a clue from the world of physics. That's the science that's all about energy and motion and how stuff changes. Or let's say you're outside and you pick up a leaf and wonder, what's going on inside there that makes it green? As soon as you ask that, you've just walked right into the world of biology, the science of all things, well, living. And hey, remember that stain we were talking about? When you start to wonder how soap and water team up to make it just vanish, you've just found a secret hiding in the world of chemistry, which is all about what stuff is made of and how different things react when you mix them together. But here's the coolest secret about our adventure map. None of these worlds are separate. Physics, biology, chemistry, they're all connected. I mean, think about it. To understand how a plant grows, that's biology, right? Well, you also need to know how it gets its energy from the sun. That's physics. And how it turns water and air into food? That's chemistry. See? They all work together to show you the whole amazing picture. Okay, so you ready to actually train that science superpower of yours? Good, because it's time for your first mission. Now, usually in school, you get a question and you have to find the answer. We're going to do the total opposite. Welcome to the Question the Answer Challenge. So here's how it works. Super simple. 1, I'm going to give you an answer. 2, your job is to think of a cool, creative question that could lead to that answer. And 3, seriously, let your imagination go wild. The whole point is just to be curious, so there's literally no wrong question. You ready? All right, explorers, here we go. Your first answer is, just add some milk. Okay, what's the question? Go on, take a sec. What problem out there has the simple solution, just add some milk? Did you get one? Maybe you came up with something like, this cereal is way too crunchy. How can I fix it? Totally works. Or maybe, I just ate something super spicy. What's the secret to putting out this fire in my mouth? See? Lots of different questions, but they all lead to the same place. Ready for another one? This one's a little goofy. The answer is, because the cat's teeth were crooked. Okay, what in the world could the question be for that? I want you to think of the funniest, most out there story you can. Go for it. And that's really the whole point of this game. You see, the best scientists, they don't just know all the answers. The real adventure, the real fun, is in asking these awesome, interesting questions that maybe nobody's ever even thought to ask before. So, let's think about this. You've figured out that curiosity is your superpower. You know the whole world is a map full of clues. And you now know that asking questions is maybe the most important skill you can have. Your huge science adventure, it's really just getting started. So, as you head out on your own missions from now on, just remember what's in your Explorer's Toolkit. First, science is an adventure, not just some boring subject. Second, curiosity is your superpower. Third, asking amazing questions is how you find everything. And finally, the whole world is your map. Now go explore it. So, our time together is wrapping up, but your adventure? It's just kicking off. It's your turn now. You're the scientist. So just look around you. Right now, what do you see? What are you wondering about? What is the first question that you want to go explore? Get out there and have fun with it.